tap, drip, drop, drip. Hear that sound? Rain, rain, tap, tap, tap. Little puddles all around. Buddy Bear says, what's that noise? Tilly says, it's rain, oh joy. Clouds go soft across the sky. Rain comes down, watch it fly.
Drip drop on my hat, drip drop on my toes, drip drop on the window. Down, down, down it goes. Beep, the car goes slow, slow, slow. Rainy roads, easy go. Splash, splash, boots on tight. Rainy days feel just right. Rain, rain, tap, tap, tap. Flowers drink and grow, grow, grow. Rain, rain, tap, tap, tap. Thank you, rain, hello, hello.
Rain stops now, clouds say bye. Sun peeks out, up high. Buddy smiles, what a day. Rain and shine, hip hooray.
Like and subscribe for more nursery rhymes. Like and subscribe for more nursery rhymes. Like and subscribe for more nursery rhymes. Because like and subscribe.